Lindau is probably the most underrated town in Germany. But not for long, because I'm going to show you the real beauty of this little gem at Germany's biggest lake, the Bodensee. Lindau is a beautiful little town, full of history that will make you fall in love with its traditional century-old buildings. The heart of the town is situated on a little island on the lake. 3 things you need to see here: the lighthouse, the Mangturm and the old town hall. If you feel like going for a swim, there are exceptional beaches to choose from. It's a good place to spend a relaxed couple of hours. You will never want to go anywhere else. The water quality of the lake is so good that Germans use it as drinking water, unfiltered, supplying it to almost 5 million people. It's actually the biggest source of drinking water for the country. If you don't like Germans, you know what to do. Lindau has also a great variety of wildlife, from white birds to black birds to brown birds. Even though it's in Bavaria, they're all tolerated here. Bring them a little something if you visit them. They will appreciate it. The region has some delicious local specialties to offer, like Fehlchenfilet, Schnitzel and Schweinshaxe, though be aware that prices are not comparable to other parts of Germany. But don't worry, there's plenty of free food around. You just need to take it. Fans of the esoteric community will also be pleased to see the ghost of the Hindenburg still hanging around, cruising the whole lake every day. For the real local experience, make sure to become friends with some rich folks living there, so you can do some water sports. There's no better thing to do there.